Welcome to Pillow Talk with the Mattress King. Today we're going to talk about cooling properties of Tempur-Pedic mattresses. I'm here with my princess, Emily. I have the Pro Adapt Soft and the Tempur Cloud Supreme Breeze. We're going to talk about cooling properties. So first thing I'm going to talk about this Pro Adapt Soft. It's the new thing out there. It's different to phase change material. It actually, what happens is they actually weave high density yarn into this cover. So it's separate to phase change material, which we'll talk about later. Think about graphite countertops. When you touch it, it's very dense. It's cool to the touch. That's what they're doing with this cover here, but they're actually putting high dense yarn into the cover. So when you touch it, it's cool to the touch. Now the old technology is what we call phase change material. That's what's on this Cloud Supreme Breeze. Think of encapsulated beads of wax. They're treated onto this mattress. When you get onto it, you're typically warm, so you're going to pass on your heat to the mattress. Those encapsulated beads of wax are going to liquefy and feel cool to the touch. But when you get cold, it's actually going to transfer that heat back to you and go to solidify into a solid state and give you. So this actually puts you in the optimum temperature to sleep at night.
How do you wash this cover?
That's a great question, Mattress Princess. So you can wash this cover, but since it's a phase change material, they actually make it a little difficult because you have to go from the bottom here and take this entire cover off. But if you wash it, you're gonna wash that treatment out of it. The cool thing about the new stuff, is it's a easy refresh cover. So you can actually take this bad boy off, you can throw it in the wash, and then you can dry it on low heat, throw it back on, and it's still cool to the touch, obviously after it cools off from your dryer. So that's all I got for Pillow Talk with the Mattress King. Tune in next week. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys.